Alright, this is the Turin versus Vario in noise. So there's a little bit of beans in here. Oh, I don't know if the bellow was on. I usually do, but I just washed it out. Alright, now, Vario. A little bit of popcorning. So yeah, sounds like it's deeper until the this one definitely sounds better empty. I don't know. About the same volume, I think. This one, the DF64 Turin, might be a little louder or higher pitched when it's actually grinding. The Vario motor just doesn't sound as nice, but hasn't failed me yet. It's been about 10 years.